Hey, hi guys, welcome back. This is Deepak, and in our previous video, we have covered like basic about Selenium WebDriver. Okay, then also covered that basic overview of OOPS concept, the object-oriented concept. Okay, so in the previous video, we have covered the real-time example of inheritance. Okay, then your interface. Okay, how real-time we are just means in one different classes how it is implemented that abstract method from an interface. Okay, how we are creating that inheritance concept in our different parent and child classes. Okay, how we are creating objects. So all things in we already covered in our previous video. Okay, so guys, if you are not seen that videos till now, okay, I just request you to go through that video. Okay, and please subscribe guys, that you are getting that updated notification whatever new video is uploaded. Okay, so today we will cover most important topic guys, method overloading and overloading. Okay, so this concept is mostly usable in all of the codings like Selenium WebDriver also, and it's the most important interview question guys. Okay, these all are most important questions of Selenium WebDriver. Okay, for the basic Java knowledge you should have the proper coding knowledge of this particular concepts. Okay, so let's start it. So what is method overloading? Method overloading is nothing but in one particular class, if we have two method name. Okay. First of all, if the method name will be same, it will show the error. Okay, it's not allowing. But if the method name is same but the parameter is different, okay, it's allowing. So method overloading means same method names within the class but the parameter will be different. Okay, so that is called method overloading. Okay, so let's have an example of it. Okay, suppose I have one class like login. Okay, so I've already created one. Okay, so employee login. So here I am just creating two methods guys. Okay, public login. Okay, public void is the return type guys. Okay, so public login, then I'm created the same method name here. Okay, see, now it's showing the error here. Okay, why is saying the error? Because we know that we cannot implement two method name, okay, in one class with the same name. Okay, it's showing like duplicate method name. Okay, so here I'm doing one thing, that I'm just giving one parameter here. Okay, string username. Okay, now you can see that error will be gone. Okay, so like this you can add multiple methods. Okay, here I am giving here one more method same name and adding one more parameter like if, okay, int. These all are guys data type. Okay, int, then string. Okay, and double, float, these are the data type. Okay, so now you can see the method name same. Okay, but the parameter are different. Okay, so this is all about method overloading. Okay, if you anybody ask any example, okay, so or ask any that in your project how you are implementing, so you can give this example guys. Okay, then we are going to the next one, the method overriding. Okay, so method overriding nothing but the same like we have two method name. Okay, but it is present in different classes, like it will be whether it will child class, parent class. Okay, so I just giving one example here. Suppose I have all two class. Okay, that is this also in previous video also we have using these two classes. Okay, so Ram is the parent class and child is the and Syam is the child class. Okay, so I have two methods is cooking. Okay, suppose in Syam I have a method called cooking. Okay, and in the Ram also I have the same method is called cooking. Okay, so if I go to run this, but create an object of Ram and run and call this method. Okay, So let's see what is coming here. Okay, so for run class, for run any method, guys, in Java we have two ways. Okay, so first is using your main method. Okay, public static main method. Okay, that we have already used in the previous videos. Okay, and one more ways is like test ng, using test ng. Okay, you can run. So for the test ng we will cover in the next videos, guys. Okay, so first we go for this main method. Okay, so I just creating one object of ram. Okay, array new. Okay, so this is syntax, guys. Class name, variable name, then equal to new class name. Okay, so here if I call the method of cooking, okay, you can see saving it and running it. Okay, you can see ram is cooking. That means on the ram we have in method we have write that syscode of ram is cooking. Okay, now in Shyam, okay, in Shyam we have the same method. Okay, so I want to print this particular method only. Okay, it's Shyam is already extended ram. Okay, but still the child this particular is not same, because we are just giving that particular class name super uh, class name will be super, this particular name will be in the parent class. Okay, so now what we have to do the change, guys. Okay, we have to just in our object creation we have to just put the child put that class name as child name. Okay, Sham. Okay, now if we run this code, okay, see see now it's changed. Okay, now it's calling the method of the child class. Okay, so this is called runtime polymerism or method overriding. Okay, so they will definitely ask in the interview what is runtime polymerism, what is compile time. So here in the method overloading, okay, it is compile time polymerism. Okay, here we have different like same method name. Okay, so this is compile time and this is runtime. Okay, they will definitely ask you the questions. Okay, so this is a, I think now you cleared that what is method overloading, overriding with example. Okay, and one most important thing, guys, in our Selenium WebDriver itself we are just following the concept of like method overriding only. Okay, we have normal syntax like WebDriver. Okay, driver equal to new whatever Chrome driver or Edge driver, Safari driver. Okay, so this is also come under this particular, okay, method overriding concept, because this is a this is a parent. Okay, this is a child, this is the class. Okay, so here also we are doing the same thing. Okay, so yeah, hope we are clear now what is overloading, overriding. Okay, and yeah, in the next video we'll cover a concept of the static keyword. Okay, how the static keyword work. Okay, so what is the means, how we can just customize the code using static keyword. Okay, guys, so keep practicing, guys, and subscribe for that updated video, updated whatever learning. And yeah, if you are not practicing, guys, you are not understand the whatever the mistakes you are doing, because in the real time writing the codes. Okay, after that only we just clear all the concepts. Okay, guys, so keep practicing, guys. We will see in the next video. Okay, happy learning, guys. Bye bye.